Microfiche has long been used in various public, private, and government institutions for compact, permanent records and archive storage. Many institutions are now searching for a convenient way to access these microfiche records and archives. Enter Mekel Technology, a division of the Crowley Company, and the MACH7 production microfiche scanners. The MACH7 provides digitization and outstanding image quality for all types of microfiche and aperture cards at speeds of 200 images or more per minute. The latest evolution, Mekel 2.0, adds even more speed, convenience, and capture options. Reliable hardware and comprehensive evolving software has allowed many Mekel Mach series users to operate their scanners for a decade or more, proving the long scanning life and high return on investment. The MACH7's breakthrough dual camera system locates frames before capture through an intelligent single-pass pre-scan operation. The second camera then captures the frames as digital images in up to 600 dpi resolution. The dual camera system ensures that blank film is not captured. This saves time, increases storage space, and eliminates the need for rescans. A high-capacity input hopper allows large batches of microfiche to be loaded at one time for automated scanning, or users can manually feed fiche into the hopper. The microfiche loading arm uses gentle suction to place microfiche onto the scanning platen automatically. A separate aperture card loading arm is also available as an option. Mekel's Smooth Light fiber optic LED system offers a gentle, balanced light source for even, well-lit images. Capture options include frame by frame, full row, serpentine for maximum speed, and a full fiche or full aperture card image can also be saved. Black and white capture of translucent, opaque, or color title bars is available with or without optical character recognition for quick, accurate file naming. All Mekel scanners are capable of scanning FADGI star-rated images. The MACH7s deliver with Mekel's Fast Fiche software, which provides one-step, on-the-fly scanning and processing. Fast Fiche eliminates traditional software learning curves with easy access tabs and intuitive software features for quick job setup and capture. A variety of capture features allow users to choose the exact specifications needed prior to scanning. For those that might require advanced processing options, the MACH7 microfiche scanners are delivered with Mekel Technology's acclaimed Quantum software suite. Using a ribbon scanning method, Quantum Scan ensures 100% image capture through lossless strip-by-strip capture of the media. Both Quantum Scan and Fast Fiche capture software offer unlimited scanning templates. With templates, operators can customize scanning parameters for multiple projects and save them for consistent image capture across multiple scanners, shift to shift, and operator to operator. The microfiche images scanned with Quantum Scan are then processed using Mekel's Quantum Process software for next-level image enhancements. Quantum Process provides greater control over individual images by allowing users to set per-frame specifications to enhance low-quality originals. Processing features such as blackout mode ensure that all frames have been properly identified, while side-by-side grayscale and bitonal image views allow operators to compare versions before final output. Dual output options allow for two file types to be saved simultaneously to separate file locations for increased output efficiency. Final images can also be output with optical character recognition to easily create searchable keywords or files. Images can be processed immediately post-scan or after hours for offline batch processing without operator assistance to increase throughput without increasing man-hours. As an added benefit, owners of both Mekel Technology microfilm and microfiche scanners using Quantum Scan can process both image types through Quantum Process software. Mekel Technology does not require proprietary storage. Mekel scanners operate from an external PC,
offering the advantages of easy upgrades, minimized downtime, and the ability to simultaneously scan and process on separate workstations.
Another Crowley advantage is the option of hybrid scanning. With this option, Crowley imaging specialists scan the microform and the images are then processed by the client in-house. As a further advantage, all images scanned using the Mekel MACH series can be easily integrated into Crowley's image hosting platform, ImageHost. At the Crowley Company, every member of our worldwide team is dedicated to providing those that manage archives or records collections in any media the highest quality of digitization equipment, software, and services. Call 240-215-0224 for more information on how Crowley can revolutionize the way you digitize.